Da 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 dun dun. Sometimes we want to use a pronoun to point out something that may be far or near in relation to something else. These pronouns are called demonstrative pronouns. Hello everyone, my name is Mr.D and welcome to my English language learning channel. If you are new here, I would like to welcome you to the show. If you have been watching my videos and haven't subscribed yet, smash that big red button to show your support. As we said earlier, demonstrative pronouns are used to represent things near or far in distance or in time. We can use demonstrative pronouns as adjectives too. This is done by using them to describe a noun instead of using them in the place of a noun. We use demonstrative pronouns to refer to things that might be near or far. These objects can also be singular or plural. Let's use these four categories to make a table for our pronouns. Within our two rows, we have singular and plural, and within our two columns, we have near and far. If an object is both singular and near, we can use the pronoun this. An example would be, "This is my car." You can use this pronoun when you are referring to something that is close to you. On the other hand, if the object is far from you, but still singular, we can use the pronoun that. Let's use the same example. "That is my car." You can use this pronoun when referring to a noun in the distance. In both of these examples, we use the demonstrative pronouns as adjectives. An easy example of using them as pronouns would be if someone asked you which car is yours and you would say, "This one," if the car was close to you, or you could point into the distance and say, "That one." Now that we are finished with the pronouns for singular objects, we can move on to plural objects. Let's start with plural objects that are close to us. For this, we can use the pronoun these. An example would be, "These are my candies," or "These are mine." If we are referring to plural objects that are far away from us, we use the pronoun those. An example would be, "Those are my flowers," or just simply, "Those are mine." So there you have it, folks. Demonstrative pronouns made easy. Now that you have a grip on these four easy-to-use pronouns, you can use them to improve your speaking, writing, or just your general English use. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like to show your support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time.